Hello everyone, how to Tuts back with another new video, and in this video I'll guide you how to disable calling option, how to disable call settings from stranger. It means that not every person, like not stranger not able to call you on your Telegram. So how can you do the settings? So go to or open your Telegram app and click the three line left of corner on your screen. Click the settings option and click the privacy and security. Scroll down, then here you'll see the option call. So click here. It's everybody. It means who can call you. It means everyone can able to call you on your Telegram application. So if you click the nobody, it means not everyone can able to call you. Or if you click the my contacts, it means only your contact exists on your device, exists on your phone, contact number, they can call you. So simply click the save, and that's it. So this way you can change this setting. So okay friend, today is no more, and see you in the next video.